you doing today?
I'm doing well. How about you?
I'm doing pretty good. I'm gonna have you go ahead and take your glasses off for me so I can see those beautiful eyes. Yes. And so it's wintertime right now, so everybody's kind of done with all this dryness.
Oh, girl.
Have you been feeling dry at all?
Tell me about it. Girl, the dryness, the weather is the culprit here. Most of the time, you know, with Oklahoma, it's so cold, warm. Lips like in a good hydrated state constantly. Like you really kind of have to be on top of it this time of year.
And what do you do for your lips to keep them hydrated?
Well, for me, Tamika has an issue kind of with staying hydrated properly. I'm a really busy mom. I have a toddler, and it's really hard sometimes to just make sure I get my water intake like I'm supposed to, you know. But me, myself, I have this all-natural luxury lip exfoliator that I created called Queen Kisses. The product is all natural. I use that to scrub my lips 2 to 3 times a week, and it ensures that my dry skin is removed and my lips are always ready for any lip color or lip gloss, you know, or even lip balm. I like to wear lip balm every day, but yeah, so I like to exfoliate.
Okay, yes, exfoliation. As an esthetician, I'm always telling people, when's the last time you exfoliate? When's the last time you moisturize?
Right, it's so important.
Yeah, I recommend during the winter time to exfoliate every like 3 days or so. Upwards of 3 times a week, just to kind of get all that dirt and oil out and the dry skin out, and then definitely follow the moisturizer.
I'm Sia Whitaker. My business is Queen Kisses, all natural luxury lip care. I've been in business for 5 years now. My background is actually in dentistry. I've been a dental assistant for almost 20 years now, and that's actually what gave me the idea. Queen Kisses is an all-natural luxury lip restoration system. It's a 3-part system that consists of an all-natural luxury exfoliator sugar scrub that you're going to use 2 to 3 times a week. It also accompanies a all-natural luxurious moisturizing lip balm that you're going to use daily, and a nighttime renewal lip mask for when you have those more complicated issues like cold sores. It actually gave me the idea that said this was my next thing. It was kind of twofold. I was in a position where I was looking for ways to generate more income, you know. And being in the dental field is also, my husband is what encouraged me to kind of find a way to make people pay me instead of, you know, getting a second job, which is ultimately just going to keep taking my time away from, you know, my home responsibilities. So just thinking about what was my passion? What was my passion? Because that's what you read, that it's not going to work unless you're passionate about it, right? And I am, and still am, very passionate about dentistry and oral health, oral hygiene. And being in the office daily, I would see the constant cycle of dry lips, no matter where you came from, what your background was, how old you were. After you leave your dental checkups, we leave your lips really dry because we're not just checking your teeth, we're checking your tissues, looking for anything abnormal, right? So moving your lips and your mouth around so much leaves your mouth really dry every time you leave your appointment. So that's what, thank you for asking that. You're actually going to use the product first 2 to 3 times a week. It's really, really simple to use. So usually I include a lip brush, or you can purchase one separately on my website, because even in dentistry they teach you about cross-contamination, and we do not want to dip our fingers in our jars. Right?
Yucky!
We don't want that. We don't want that. I don't even like the idea of lip balm. You know, some people have the lip balm and it's a tin and you put it on like that. I don't want my fingers touch, even though it's on my own. Like it's
Your hands touch that.
Yes, exactly. And the germs and cold flu, no ma'am. So we like to use a lip brush to prevent the cross-contamination, but you're going to use a small, maybe dime-size amount. You're going to put it on your lips and rub it in about 60 seconds in circular motions. And after that, you can just rinse it off. You could lick it off if you want, but if your lips are super dry, you don't really want the dry flakes in your mouth, do you?
Okay, so it's that natural that I can eat it.
Yes, you can lick it and nothing toxic in it. All ingredients are natural and premium ingredients.
Awesome.
It is. We are having a Galentine's Day Spectacular here at the LAMIK studio, a collab between Queen Kisses and LAMIK Beauty. So what we're going to do, February 13th, Galentine's Day, you guys are going to come in and purchase a ticket. In your ticket price, you're going to get a luxury lip exfoliator, which is actually my special Valentine's Day blend that you only get here. Also, a LAMIK lip gloss of your choice. The one I'm wearing is Iconic, or you can actually choose from any of these. The event is February 13th from 5 to 7 p.m.
And where is it at?
It's going to be here at the LAMIK studio.
And where's LAMIK Studio?
LAMIK Studio is located downtown Tulsa in the Box Yard.
This Galentine's Day, February the 13th, join Queen Kisses and LAMIK Beauty for a Galentine's Beauty Bash, hosted at the Box Yard, Tulsa, 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. Don't miss out.